In this video, you'll learn how to prevent invalid bot traffic on your website using Cloudflare. We'll walk through a simple setup that helps block harmful or unwanted bots while still allowing trusted ones like search engines to access your site. By the end, you'll have a basic but effective protection in place, and you'll understand what each setting actually does. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare dashboard and you've selected the website you want to protect. From the main dashboard, look for the security section in the left-hand menu and then click on bots. This is where Cloudflare groups all of its bot management tools. Once you're on the bots page, find the setting called Bot Fight Mode. This is a built-in feature from Cloudflare designed to automatically detect and challenge bad bots. It uses Cloudflare's own intelligence and pattern analysis to decide which automated requests are likely to be harmful or not legitimate. Toggle bot fight mode to on. When you do this, Cloudflare will start applying extra checks and protections whenever it suspects that a request is coming from a bot that shouldn't be on your site. This can include rate limiting, blocking, or adding challenges that real users won't normally see, but automated scripts might fail. Turning this on is a quick way to boost your bot protection without needing complex rules. However, once bot fight mode is enabled, you want to make sure that legitimate verified bots are not blocked or challenged unnecessarily. Verified bots include things like search engine crawlers and other well-known services that Cloudflare recognizes and certifies as safe. If those are blocked, it can hurt your search visibility or disrupt integrations you rely on. To handle that, you'll create a rule that tells Cloudflare to skip certain protections for these verified bots. Go back to the security section on the left-hand menu, and this time click on WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. The WAF is where you can configure more specific security rules to control how traffic is handled. Inside the WAF area, find the tab or section labeled Custom Rules, click on Custom Rules, and then click on the button that says Create Rule. This opens a new rule configuration panel where you can define the conditions and actions you want Cloudflare to follow. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, something like allow verified bots if a name field is available. Then you'll set the condition. For the field, choose verified bot. This field refers to Cloudflare's own classification of whether the request is coming from a bot it has verified as legitimate. Next, for the operator, select equals. This tells Cloudflare that the rule will trigger when the verified bot field exactly matches the value you're about to set. For the value, choose on. This means the rule will apply only when Cloudflare has identified the request as coming from a verified bot. Now you need to decide what Cloudflare should do when this condition is met. For the action, select skip. This tells Cloudflare to skip certain security checks, such as aspects of the WAF or bot protections for those verified bots. Essentially, you're saying, if Cloudflare knows this is a trusted bot, don't apply the stricter bot defenses here. Once everything is set, save or deploy your rule. With bot fight mode turned on and your custom skip rule for verified bots in place, your site will actively push back against bad automated traffic while still allowing trusted services to work normally.